This video is brought to you by Squarespace. So let me tell you a couple things about Squarespace. They have an amazing all-in-one platform that's super easy to use, customizable with tons of award-winning designer templates to choose from, and they offer 24-hour customer service support. They have features like appointment scheduling, customizable image galleries, and even email campaigns to engage your audience. So you can take the hassle out of creating the perfect website that fits your needs. So whether you're a photographer like me that needs a portfolio site, or you have a small business, they have something for everyone. You can head to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Jessica to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or a domain. Now let's get back to the video. Hey, I'm going to be showing you guys a behind the scenes look of this photo shoot, how I got the pictures, and everything else, so let's get started. So for this shoot, we had a beautiful Dutch model named Babette. She is with Next Model Management. So we usually do two looks on these test shoots. The first look is really natural and bronzy, and the second look, we tend to get a little bit more creative. And as you guys can see, Babette was showing us pictures of her rabbits back in the Netherlands. I think it was so cute. It's really nice to get to know the models. I usually sit and talk to them while they're getting their makeup and hair done. Get to know them because I am going to be taking their photo, and it's important to know who you're photographing. We had a little bit of help from Flannery's cat. She was patrolling the area, making sure everything looks good, making sure, nothing looks sus. So, she really helped us out there. We had an assistant for free. So for the styling, I got a bunch of clothes from Zara, and Flannery helped me pick out this outfit. We put a cute skirt and then a sheer top over a bralette. So we kept it pretty simple, all black, and I think it came out really nice. I think it looks great on her. And Babette actually came to this test shoot riding a bike in LA, which I thought was amazing. So she came with only one pair of shoes, but they were these amazing green Nike sneakers, and I think they completed the look, so we just kept them on her. We usually use the model's shoes because I don't really have a lot of shoes. We headed outside to do the first look. I used all natural light, and it was about 10 in the morning, so you can see the sun is pretty high up. It's super bright outside. I had to take a bunch of test shots to kind of see how the lighting situation was. There's no external lighting. What you guys see is completely all natural light. I'm using my Canon 5D Mark IV camera and then a 24-70 2.8 lens for this photo shoot. I was testing the light and wasn't really liking it in the middle of the street, so I just usually walk around and take a couple of test shots and see how it's looking. So I decided to keep it simple and do some shots on the street. I don't usually do a lot of fancy locations. I usually do street style photos around the neighborhood or really anywhere close by. I've shot with trash cans before, so really the location is not a huge deal to me. I try to make everything work. So we were walking and I almost got hit by a butterfly. Actually, we got that on camera. That was embarrassing. That came out of nowhere, but it had the right of way, I guess. So I found this area with some really pretty white flowers and then some greenery in the back. It matched so well with Babette's features. I thought it really made the outfit pop, so I spent so much time taking pictures there. We got some really nice shots. And it was just such nice light. It just goes to show you that even though it's harsh light outside and it may not be an ideal time to shoot, you can still find small little spots to take some really nice pictures. So after spending a little bit too much time in the same location, we decided to walk literally 2 steps, and then I found an even nicer location with some leaves coming out, and I decided to do some sitting down poses. I tried to do a variety, some standing, some walking, and then some sitting. So I made sure to first make sure the model is covered because she is wearing a skirt and she's going to be sitting down. That's very important. And then I decided to give her some ideas on how to position her legs, keep moving her arms so we can get a variety of shots. Because she is sitting, sometimes we tend to end up with the same shots, but I decided to keep on moving, change up my angles so we can get a nice variety. I did some headshots, I did some full body showing some of the scenery, and I think these shots came out amazing. Babette did such a great job. She took direction very well and she killed it. So after wrapping up the sitting shots, I had Babette basically just walk back and forth. I usually have the models do this like 4 or 5 times, and I'll have them walk backwards. I'll have them walk really close to my lens so I can get some nice angles, just because I want some really cool movement shots, and they usually turn out really awesome. So I saw these flowers and I immediately ran on over to this area. It was right outside of somebody's house. We were on the sidewalk, but deep inside I was like, I really hope I don't get yelled at right now for taking pictures here. I'm like, I hope no one's, eating breakfast at that table. We had some really nice light for it being so early. I'm really happy that I found this spot. I took a variety of pictures. I had her closer to the flowers so that they would show up more. And then I actually had her take a step in front of the flowers so that there's a little bit more separation between her and the background so we can get a little bit more bokeh. And I think the pictures came out really nice. So that's the end. We didn't get yelled at, we didn't get kicked out, I didn't get arrested, and we got the pictures. So let me know what you guys think, and I would love to thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.